Imagine this. One ordinary morning, everything feels a little different. Not just a feeling, but a fundamental shift. What if, instantly, your brain started processing time twice as fast? Suddenly, 1 second for the world is 2 seconds for you. This isn't about the world moving in slow motion. It's your perception that's accelerated. Your internal clock has doubled its speed. The immediate sensation would be bizarre. Everything around you would seem to be moving in agonizingly slow motion. A car driving past would crawl. A spoken sentence would stretch into a drawn-out, distorted drone. Every action outside you would be painfully slow. Your own thoughts, however, would race. You'd process information at double the speed, thinking 2 thoughts for every one from before. Communication would become a nightmare. A simple conversation would be like trying to talk to someone underwater. You'd finish your sentences instantly, but they'd take an eternity to respond. Frustration would quickly build. Social interaction would become almost impossible. Driving a car would be terrifying. Every turn, every brake press, every other vehicle, they would all move impossibly slow. It would be like playing a video game where your character is super fast, but the game world is stuck in slow motion. A recipe for disaster. Working with others would cease to function. Construction, surgery, team sports, any collaborative effort would grind to a halt. Think of a surgeon performing an operation. For them, every cut is stretched out. While their own hands feel normal, this would be true for every single human. The entire human population would be out of sync with reality. Animals, however, would still perceive time normally. Your dog would still greet you with its usual speed, unaware of your internal shift. Technology too would remain at its normal speed. Computers, internet, machines, they would operate agonizingly slow to your perception. Reading a book might feel slightly more natural, as your brain processes the words at a faster pace, but turning pages would be slow. Sleeping might become your only escape, a way to bypass the slow motion torture of the external world. Over time, new forms of communication might emerge. Perhaps highly condensed language or even thought-to-text interfaces. New sports might be invented. Games designed for hyper-fast reaction times, where normal humans would appear frozen, but the sheer mental strain would be immense. Constant frustration, isolation, and an overwhelming sense of waiting. This permanent disconnect from the world's natural rhythm could lead to profound psychological effects. Anxiety and depression would soar. Could humanity adapt to this new reality? Maybe over generations, but the initial phase would be devastating. Our entire civilization, built on shared time, would crumble, unless we found a way to reconnect or adjust. Perhaps technology could develop time dilators, devices that artificially slow our perception to match the world again. But until then, every moment would be a test of patience. Every interaction, a struggle, a fast mind trapped in a slow world. So, next time you feel time flying by, be grateful. Because imagine if it was your brain, not the clock, that sped up. If this what if made you think twice about time, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending scenarios.